The F is a collaboration between AC Future and Pininfarina, and it is more than just a camper. It's a sustainable living platform that provides an out-of-the-ordinary living and traveling experience. It has various expandable facilities that can be adapted to the needs of different users. The F's walls can expand to create up to 400 square feet of living space. This is more than double the space of a traditional RV. The furniture in the F can be collapsed or folded away to save space when the walls are retracted. This makes it easy to drive and park the F. The F is still a concept vehicle, but it is expected to be available for purchase in 2025. The price has not been announced yet, but it is expected to be in the six-figure range. Overall, the F is a very impressive vehicle that has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel and live. It is perfect for people who want to explore the outdoors without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Viñales MV12. This is a custom-built, double-decker motorhome used by MotoGP rider Maverick Viñales during race weekends. It is designed for comfort and functionality, with features like a spacious living area, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and even a terrace. Viñales has shared glimpses of his MV12 on social media and in interviews, showcasing its luxurious interior and impressive amenities. MV12 is also the racing number used by Maverick Viñales throughout his MotoGP career. He has competed under this number since his debut in 2013 and has achieved several victories and podium finishes with it. Fans often associate the number MV12 with Viñales and his signature riding style. Viñales MV12 is very nice motorhome. Dembell Motorhomes. Dembell Motorhomes are the epitome of luxury RVing, designed for those who never settle for anything less than the best. Built without compromise, these high-end vehicles offer the comfort and quality of modern luxury yachts, but on land. Built on a heavy-duty Mercedes Actros Gigaspace chassis, Dembell Motorhomes are engineered for durability and stability. The spacious interiors, around 30 square meters, are crafted with premium materials like leather, wood, and stone, creating a truly luxurious feel. Dembell Motorhomes feature a well-thought-out layout with a comfortable lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, a luxurious bathroom, and a spacious bedroom. Slide-outs on both sides expand the living space even further, providing ample room to relax and entertain. Dembell understands that no two travelers are alike. They offer a high degree of customization, allowing you to personalize your motorhome to your exact specifications. Choose your preferred layout, materials, and finishes to create a truly unique home on wheels. 2002 Prevost XLII. The 2002 Prevost XLII came in various configurations, primarily as the American and the Royale XL2 models. Both were built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis and powered by the legendary Detroit Series 60 engine, known for its reliability and smooth performance. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by spacious, well-appointed living quarters. Think rich leather upholstery, gleaming wood cabinetry, and plush carpeting. The layouts offered various configurations, including living areas with entertainment centers, full kitchens with high-end appliances, and luxurious bedrooms with en-suite bathrooms. These coaches were designed for long-distance travel and ultimate comfort. Features like air suspension, climate control systems, and noise insulation ensured a smooth and quiet ride. Some models even came with amenities like heated floors and fireplaces, adding to the cozy atmosphere. The Detroit Series 60 engine, paired with an Allison automatic transmission, delivered ample power for effortless cruising. These engines were known for their durability and fuel efficiency, making them ideal for long journeys. EarthRoamer HD. The EarthRoamer HD. It's no wonder you're curious about it. While it's currently discontinued, it was a true beast of an overland vehicle, designed for those who demand the ultimate in off-road capability and luxurious comfort. Based on a heavy-duty Ford F550 4x4 chassis with Dana axles and locking differentials, the HD could tackle any terrain with ease. Under the hood hummed a powerful 6.7L Powerstroke V8 diesel engine, producing 440 horsepower and 920 lb-ft of torque for effortless cruising and conquering rugged landscapes. Features like 41 inches of ground clearance, 35-inch tires, and an approach angle of 36 degrees ensured the HD could handle even the most extreme obstacles. However, if you're lucky enough to find a used EarthRoamer HD, be prepared to shell out a hefty sum. Prices typically ranged from $1.9 million to over $2 million, depending on options and customizations. (2024) Newmar King Aire. The 2024 Newmar King Aire is the pinnacle of luxury motorhomes, offering opulence and unparalleled comfort for discerning travelers. Here's a breakdown of what makes this behemoth of the road so special. For spacious floor plans offer generous living areas, private bedrooms with king-size beds, and full bathrooms with porcelain fixtures. Slide-outs on both sides further expand the living space, making it ideal for families or groups. Enjoy a fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, a home theater system with surround sound, and even a walk-in pantry for the ultimate culinary experience. Climate control systems, heated floors, and a fireplace ensure comfort in any weather. The King Aire comes equipped with a Cummins ISX 12.9L diesel engine, delivering 600 horsepower and 1,750 lb-ft of torque for effortless cruising and tackling inclines. Living Vehicle HD30. The Living Vehicle HD30, it's no wonder you're interested. This luxury off-road trailer redefines the concept of RVing, offering unparalleled comfort and adventure in a self-sustaining package. Here's a breakdown of its key features. The HD30 boasts a sleek and modern exterior with a focus on functionality. Inside, you'll find a beautifully crafted interior with premium materials like wood, leather, and stone, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The HD30 offers two spacious floor plans with ample room for a couple or a family. Slide-outs on both sides expand the living space, while the innovative pop-up roof creates a loft bedroom with stunning views. The HD30 is designed for off-grid adventures. Solar panels, lithium batteries, and a large water tank provide ample power and resources for independent living. The HD30 is built on a heavy-duty trailer frame with independent suspension and off-road tires, allowing you to explore challenging terrains with confidence. Tabbert Cellini with slide-out. This luxurious caravan definitely takes comfort and spaciousness to the next level. Here's what you need to know about the slide-out feature. The Cellini most likely has a large slide-out in the living area, expanding either the side or the rear of the caravan. This creates significantly more space for lounging, dining, or enjoying entertainment. Smaller slide-outs. Some models might also have additional slide-outs in the bedroom or kitchen, further maximizing interior space. The main advantage is the significant reduction in feeling cramped, especially for longer stays. It's like having an extra room on wheels. Slide-outs add weight to the caravan, so ensure your tow vehicle has sufficient capacity. Maneuvering might also require more attention due to the increased width. Setup and leveling, extending and retracting the slide-out takes time and requires careful operation. IH45 Luxury Motorhome. This is a high-end, Class A motorhome built by Foretravel. It's known for its spacious and luxurious interior, powerful performance, and numerous customization options. It's definitely a top choice for those seeking the ultimate in RVing luxury. IH45-inch refers to a model of luxury motorhome produced by Foretravel, a renowned manufacturer known for their high-end RVs. Luxury emphasizes the spaciousness, comfort, and opulent features found in the IH45, including gourmet kitchens, luxurious baths, expansive living areas, and powerful engines. This was the racing number and custom motorhome used by Spanish motorcycle racer Maverick Viñales during his time with Yamaha Racing from 2017 to 2021. It's not currently available for purchase, but it was a unique and luxurious vehicle. C Greyhawk XL likely refers to the Jayco Greyhawk XL, a super Class C motorhome known for its luxurious amenities and off-road capabilities. Here's what you need to know. This provides ruggedness and power for tackling challenging terrain. Spacious and comfortable interior. Choose from various floor plans with ample living space, well-appointed kitchens, comfortable bedrooms, and luxurious bathrooms. Top-of-the-line amenities. Enjoy features like a large awning, exterior entertainment system, satellite TV, automatic leveling jacks, and more. Powerful engine. The 6.7L Power-Stroke V8 diesel engine delivers 600 horsepower and 1,750 lb-ft of torque for effortless cruising and uphill climbs. Advanced safety features, air suspension, ABS brakes, traction control, and stability control ensure a smooth and safe ride. The Greyhawk XL starts at around $256,800. Very luxury and amazing motorhome. Airstream Globetrotter. It's a design enthusiast's dream. From its crisp, clean lines to its delicate neutral colors, the Globetrotter travel trailer is the epitome of modern style. The interior draws influences from all across Europe, and the exterior is the ever-head-turning aerodynamic aluminum shell that's made Airstream an American icon. It's the perfect statement-making complement to any unforgettable adventure. Take a closer look at the Globetrotter, both inside and out. See the design choices, technology, and modern appliances that make the Globetrotter feel like it was made just for you. In 1948, our founder, Wally Byam, and his friend Cornelius Vanderbilt painted the words Globetrotters on the side of their Airstream and headed for Europe, which inspired the original line of Globetrotter travel trailers in the 1950s. Today's Globetrotter captures the spirit of adventure and the tradition of European design. Tabbert Cellini with slide out. You seem interested in this luxurious caravan, and I'm happy to help you learn more about its slide out feature. Main slide out. The Cellini typically features a large slide out in the living area, expanding either the side or the rear of the caravan. This significantly increases usable space for lounging, dining, or entertainment. Additional slide-outs. Some models might also have smaller slide-outs in the bedroom or kitchen, further maximizing interior space. Cellini 750 HTD 2.5 slide-out. This popular model features a large L-shaped slide-out in the living area, expanding the space for a comfortable dining area and lounge. Other models. Check the Tabbert website for detailed specifications and floor plans of different Cellini models with slide-outs. Extending and retracting the slide-out takes time and requires careful operation. Leveling the caravan becomes more crucial with additional sliding elements. Endless. This was a limited edition luxury RV built by Bowlus, featuring top-of-the-line performance and technology. It was discontinued in 2016, but its legacy continues to inspire RV enthusiasts. Streamlined iconic design, the Bowlus boasts a unique, aerodynamic aluminum shell that stands out from the crowd. Luxury interior. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials like real wood and leather, offering a comfortable and sophisticated living space. Innovative technology. The Endless Highways was equipped with cutting-edge features like Bluetooth monitoring, a powerful air conditioning system, and an industry-leading power management system. Performance-focused. This model was built for effortless travel, with a powerful engine and upgraded suspension for handling challenging terrain. The term endless can also represent the overall philosophy of the Bowlus brand. They design their RVs to encourage exploration and adventure, offering a way to travel comfortably and sustainably while experiencing the beauty of the open road.